Module 3, Basic Avionics and Glass Cockpit. Avionics form the backbone of modern aircraft systems, encompassing vital instruments that ensure safe and efficient flight operations. Understanding these fundamental components is crucial for pilots, as they provide essential information about the aircraft's position, orientation, speed, and altitude. From traditional analog gauges to advanced digital displays found in glass cockpits like the Garmin G600 TXI, each instrument plays a critical role in navigating the skies with precision and confidence. This lecture explores the functionalities of basic avionics instruments and delves into the capabilities offered by state-of-the-art glass cockpit technology, emphasizing their importance in modern aviation. Schedule Basic Avionics. Avionics are the electronic systems used on aircraft, artificial satellites, and spacecraft. They include systems for communication, navigation, and the display and management of multiple systems. Here we'll discuss some of the essential instruments found in basic avionics. 1. Airspeed Indicator. The Airspeed Indicator, ASI, shows the aircraft's speed through the air. It measures the difference between the static pressure, ambient air pressure, and the pitot pressure, pressure from air rammed into a tube facing forward. This difference is displayed in knots. 2. Attitude Indicator. The Attitude Indicator, AI, shows the aircraft's orientation relative to the horizon, indicating whether the aircraft is level, climbing, descending, or banking. It uses a gyroscope to keep a stable reference while the aircraft maneuvers around it. The instrument displays a miniaturized airplane and a horizon bar, showing the airplane's pitch and roll. 3. Altimeter. The altimeter displays the aircraft's altitude above sea level. It measures the static pressure from the atmosphere. As altitude increases, the atmospheric pressure decreases. The altimeter translates this pressure difference into a reading of altitude in feet. 4. Navigation instruments. Navigation instruments help determine the aircraft's position and flight path. There are two basic types of navigation systems: ground-based radio transmitters such as VOR, NDB, and DME. The second navigation system is GPS, VOR, VHF omnidirectional range, a type of short-range radio navigation system that helps aircraft determine their position and stay on course. Other aids include NDB, non-directional beacon, DME, distance measuring equipment, and more. GPS, Global Positioning System, is a cornerstone of modern navigation. It utilizes a network of satellites to accurately pinpoint an aircraft's location anywhere on Earth, ensuring reliable navigation and enhanced situational awareness for pilots. Its integration into avionics systems like the Garmin G600 TXI enhances navigation capabilities with real-time position updates and route guidance. 5. Heading Indicator. The heading indicator displays the aircraft's current heading or direction. Unlike a magnetic compass, the heading indicator is not affected by the aircraft's movements and provides a stable reading. It uses a gyroscope for stability and must be regularly aligned with the magnetic compass. 6. Vertical Speed Indicator, VSI. The Vertical Speed Indicator, VSI, indicates the rate of climb or descent. It measures the rate of change in the static pressure. A rapid change indicates a climb or descent, displayed in feet per minute or meters per second. 7. Turn and Slip Indicator. The Turn and Slip Indicator shows if the aircraft is in a coordinated turn. It has two parts: the Turn Indicator, a gyroscopic instrument showing the rate of turn, and the Slip Indicator, a ball in a curved tube showing whether the turn is coordinated with the right amount of rudder input. 2. Last cockpit, Garmin G600 TXI. A glass cockpit replaces traditional analog gauges with digital displays. The Garmin G600 TXI is an example of a modern glass cockpit system that integrates multiple avionics functions into a streamlined, easy-to-read interface. 1. Airspeed G600 shows the aircraft's speed through the air. The G600 displays airspeed information digitally, often providing additional features like trend vectors, speed tapes, and color-coded ranges for different airspeed regimes. 2. Attitude G600 shows the aircraft's orientation relative to the horizon. The G600 provides a digital representation of the attitude indicator, integrating it with other data such as flight director commands and synthetic vision for enhanced situational awareness. 3. Altimeter G600 displays the aircraft's altitude above sea level. The G600 digital altimeter shows altitude information, often including additional features like altitude alerts, target altitude, and trend vectors to assist with altitude management. 4. Navigation G600 includes GPS, VOR, and other navigational aids to help determine the aircraft's position and flight path. The G600 integrates multiple navigation sources into a single display, providing a comprehensive view of the aircraft's position, route, and surrounding airspace. It can overlay GPS routes, VOR radials, and other navigational data on a moving map. 5. Heading indicator G600 displays the aircraft's current heading or direction. The G600 digital heading indicator provides a stable and accurate heading readout, often incorporating magnetic heading, track information, and wind data for precise navigation. 6. Vertical Speed Indicator VSI G600 indicates the rate of climb or descent. The G600 VSI shows vertical speed information digitally, often with trend indicators and vertical speed targets to help pilots manage their climb and descent profiles more effectively. 7. Turn and Slip Indicator G600 indicates if the aircraft is in a coordinated turn. The G600 integrates the turn and slip indicator into its digital display, often enhancing it with additional data such as turn rate trends and coordination cues to ensure smooth and coordinated maneuvers. Summary. This concludes Module 3 on Basic Avionics and Glass Cockpit. Aircraft avionics provide the essential instruments needed for safe flight operations, while modern glass cockpits like the Garmin G600 TXI enhances these capabilities with advanced digital displays and integrated systems, offering greater situational awareness and easier management of flight information. We hope you enjoyed this video and ask that you subscribe to our channel. Please leave any comments or questions below. Click that like button. Stay safe and enjoy flying the friendly skies.